Hey, Edson, it's Mayor Kevin Zahara with the Town Council update for September the 6th. Tuesday night, we had a delegation presenting to us some Edson residents concerned about flooding on their property and in their neighborhoods, particularly in Tiffin, an area that was flooded earlier this year. And they also had a flood a few years ago, both associated to some very significant rain events. So they provided us with some really good information, as well as made a request to implement a program to help assist with the cost of installing backflow preventers. Many of these homes already have them in place, but there's new ones that are more technologically advanced. So council will consider that as a part of our 2023 budget deliberations. Of course, preventing flooding, really important in our community. We are seeing more significant rain events and more intense weather with climate change. So something that we'll continue to work on and trying to mitigate flooding risks within our community. Of course, we have the Waste Creek project, which is a significant storm water management system that we want to implement in our community to help reduce the risk of flooding within the town of Edson. Over $2 million budgeted for that as a part of the 2022 budget, and that project likely will be carrying over to 2023 as we work through some of the details. As well, we had an update from Protective Services regarding the automated enforcement traffic program that we have had in place here in the town of Edson for over a decade. Some really important information shared with us regarding the new rules, where we are currently. 90% of the tickets issued are to those that are not in our community, and the funds go to important public safety initiatives and to fund our policing budget. It is directly goes into our policing budget, paying for about 3 or 4 officers, as well as a number of public safety initiatives such as pedestrian crossing lights. You're actually going to see another set going up by the A&W here, hopefully in the next few weeks. That's paid for through this program. They also shared some, unfortunately, some startling numbers regarding speeding on 63rd Street last month. Speeds of in excess of 120 kilometers an hour during the day. This is not a photo radar zone. It could qualify for that potentially. You may see some more conventional enforcement over the next number of weeks. Just some very significant speeds, both on 63rd Street and 40th Street. So we do ask people to slow down in those areas. We also passed a number of information items, particularly some advocacy letters to provincial government ministers, the Alberta Municipalities Conference coming up at the end of the month. We requested meetings with the Minister of Health regarding EMS in our community and the significant reduction in EMS level of service that we've seen. Oftentimes only one ambulance available in our community. Oftentimes it's only the basic life support ambulance, which is a significant reduction of what we've seen in the past. So we are going to be meeting with Minister Copping about that. He has accepted our meeting request, as well as the Minister of Community and Social Supports, Jason Luan, regarding homelessness. He's been very active in working with us regarding this issue, visiting our community, and we will be meeting with him down in Calgary as well. We requested a meeting with the Minister of Transportation regarding the condition of Highway 16. Unfortunately, he declined our request but referred us to the regional director. So we will be meeting with the regional director and requesting that Highway 16 be repaved in our community. The current condition is completely unacceptable in our opinion, with us being a major resource hub and the gateway to Jasper National Park. And we would like to see that highway completely repaved through our community. So that is your town council update. We will continue to advocate on these issues and work on these issues on behalf of our residents. We hope you have yourself a fantastic week, and I'll have a further update for you later this month.